Why is nasal spray angle important for allergy relief? Have you ever wondered why the angle of your nasal spray matters so much when managing allergies? It turns out, it plays a big role in how effectively the medication works. When you use a nasal spray, the goal is to deliver the medication to the right spots inside your nose. This is where inflammation occurs, and getting it right can make a huge difference in relieving your allergy symptoms. When you spray the medication, it should ideally land on the sides of your nasal passages and the inferior turbinate. If you spray it directly at the center of your nose or the nasal septum, you might not get the relief you need. In fact, this can lead to irritation or even nosebleeds. Many nasal sprays for allergies contain corticosteroids or antihistamines. These medications are designed to reduce inflammation and allergic reactions. For them to work effectively, they need to be deposited in the right areas. Studies show that a lot of people aim their nasal sprays incorrectly, often pointing towards the septum instead of the lateral walls. To ensure you are using your nasal spray correctly, follow these simple steps. First, tilt your head slightly forward. Then, insert the spray tip just inside your nostril. Aim the nozzle slightly outward and backward along the nasal passage. This angle helps the medication reach the areas where it is needed most. Using the opposite hand for each nostril can also help achieve the right angle. For example, use your right hand for your left nostril and your left hand for your right nostril. This technique can make it easier to aim correctly. Another tip is to avoid sniffing hard during or right after you spray. Sniffing can cause the medication to go down your throat instead of staying in your nasal passages, which reduces its effectiveness. Proper technique not only improves how well the medication works, but also reduces the chances of it dripping out of your nose. This means better absorption and less irritation. In summary, the angle at which you use your nasal spray is vital for effective allergy relief. It ensures the medication reaches the inflamed tissues in your nose, minimizes side effects, and improves your overall treatment experience. By following these guidelines, you can maximize the benefits of your nasal spray and enjoy better allergy management.